Hello everybody! In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how to show rulers on Microsoft Office Word. As you can see, I already have my rulers here. So all you have to do is open your Microsoft Office document and we'll go to this menu here. We will find too many tabs, but we are interested in the view ribbon here. After we click on the ribbon, we'll find multiple and different sections here. You will find the view section, immersive and page movement. And here we are interested in the show section. As you can see in this checkbox, we'll find here the ruler and grid lines and navigation pane. Of course, if we want the rulers, we have just to click on the ruler, check uh, and as you can see our ruler is showing again. So the rulers will let us control our paragraphs. As you can see, the cursor is moving uh, with my ruler here. I can type even outside the border just by using ruler. To show the modification done by the ruler, all we have is to go to the layout section here or the layout ribbon. And here in the paragraph section, you will find that our modification has been uh, in the paragraph. If I move anything from the ruler, you will find that it is moving in the paragraph section here. So this is how we show rulers. Also, I showed you how to control your ruler on your document. Thank you for watching and goodbye.